Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to unbox the best phone Huawei has ever made. Yes, I am talking about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. The phone comes in this black box. First up, in this box we get the phone itself. Keeping it aside for a moment, then we get some usual paperwork. You also get a USB Type-C earphone, and lastly a solid 40 watts of fast charger in the box, which is great to have. You also get a solid case with this phone, which is pretty good. The device comes with 6.5-inch OLED waterfall display with a screen resolution of 2400 by 1176 pixels. The big notch up there houses a 3D face recognition sensor, depth sensing camera, and a front-facing camera. The screen here is curved so much at the sides that it actually makes the sides of the phone. On the bottom of the screen, there is an optical fingerprint scanner, which is exactly same as the Huawei P30 Pro. On the right hand side, you get the power key, and because the display is stretched so much at the sides, the power key is pushed at almost the back of the phone, to an extent that it feels strange to use it, as it is the only button on this device. Yes, that means there are no volume rockers. You can just double tap on either of the sides to bring up the volume controls and slide it to increase or decrease the volume. On the bottom of the device, we get the SIM card tray, which supports dual SIM cards, also an SD card slot. Then you get a primary microphone, a USB Type-C port, and the speaker grill. On the top, we get the secondary microphone and an IR blaster. The phone comes with Huawei's self-made Kirin 990 chipset, which is according to Huawei is equivalent to the Snapdragon 855. It is an octa-core processor which is clocked at 2.8 GHz. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to another 256 GB. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro on the rear packs a 40 megapixel primary camera with an f1.6 aperture and OIS, a second 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera with the same aperture, and a third 8 megapixel 3x telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture and OIS. The rear camera setup also houses a PDAF and laser autofocus. This setup also supports 4K 60 FPS video. The phone sports a 32 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro features a hefty 4500 mAh of battery, which supports 40 watts of wired fast charging and 27 watts of fast wireless charging, and also reverse charging. The speaker at the bottom is small and can get easily blocked by anything, but it does get pretty loud. The whole phone is IP68 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about water getting into it. The camera bump on the back of the device is not small and catches dust pretty easily. The phone comes with EMUI 10 on top of Android 10 out of the box, but the real problem here is that because of Huawei's relationship with USA right now, the phone unfortunately does not have any Google apps, or you can say no connection with Google at all. There is of course a Huawei's app store called App Gallery, but it's nowhere near the level of Google. Most of the things here are also region locked. So overall, this phone is definitely one of the best flagship phones you can get right now if you can live without Google apps. So feel free to tell me what do you think about this phone in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel and enable the notifications so you get to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.